Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make our James and the Giant Peach art project. So for this project, you will need a peach, of course, some straws, and some paper and whatever you'd like to color with. So to start off, we should have our students draw the characters from the book. So we can see here at the front, we have a list of our characters, including Miss Spider, Old Green Grasshopper. Glowworm is very important, of course. She provides light. We need to make sure to remember to draw the seagulls, otherwise how is our peach going to get to where it's going? James, of course, caught our seagulls for us. I enjoyed drawing Centipede here in his little shoes. We need Earthworm, Ladybug or Ladybird, and Silkworm, who is important in helping catch the seagulls. So while students are drawing, you can kind of talk about who's their favorite character. Why was the peach important to James? Like, what did it represent to James? Why was he so attached to his friends? And where are they going? Where would you like your peach to go? And just kind of who their favorite character was. After they finish, we can attach the drawings once they've been cut out to our straw with the sharp end pointed down, just with some simple tape. And then they can stick this into the peach wherever they would like. And they can also use the straw to maybe make some holes. And if you have them and would like to use them to place some mealworms inside of our peach. Thank you for listening.